Hey, my name's Bret Johnson. I'm the lab manager here at Superfici America. We often hear from our customers that the drying of painted parts is the bottleneck of their finishing department. Regardless of whether or not they are using automated finishing solutions, customers struggle with leaving parts on open racks to dry because they get bumped, smudged, or they get dirt in the finish. We have created a cost-effective solution to drying large quantities of painted parts for customers of all sizes. We call it DryVault. DryVault is an insulated room where you can wheel in the racks of parts for drying in a clean environment. We have designed the oven to have doors on both ends, making it easy to manage the workflow of your finishing department, allowing parts to pass through in either direction. Once parts enter the room, filtered air is heated with an indirect gas burner system and circulated through the room to dry them much faster than they would have sitting at room temperature. This system provides more accurate temperature control compared to other catalytic panel heaters on the market today and can reach air temperatures of up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The guided airflow is then exhausted through the roof, evacuating the solvents. This eliminates unpleasant odors from your finishing department. DryVault also has a programmable PLC control panel allowing you to create recipes with the time, temperature, and airflow for different coatings used in your finishing department, saving your employees time and reducing human error. Trained technicians will install your DryVault on site and train your operators, but the DryVault's modular construction makes it quick and easy to assemble and provides added flexibility to add panels and grow with your business. If you're interested in learning more about the DryVault, please contact your local Superfici sales representative.